On this episode of Finn's Builds, an old man tries to stand up, and I do it quick and dirty. On the previous episode I repaired the frame, installed a new roof and floor and fitted new windows. If you haven't seen this episode, you can find the link in the description. In the meantime I refitted some of the outer metal panels. This was too difficult to film underneath the old barn. Here you can see the result. The spaces where the house wrap is still visible will be covered with wood. Installation of electrical wiring and plumbing. Most of the electrical and water lines run through the floor. I will make some inspection holes to provide access even when the floor is in place. This is my temporary water installation. I have a 300 liter water tank. A water pump then provides the necessary water pressure. Next to is an expansion tank and a water filtration system. The blue tube on the left will be the water supply for the kitchen sink. The blue tube on the right will be the water supply for the shower. I will add more to the system later and will give an in-depth review of my completed system in the future episode. Now the floor is fully insulated, I can close it up. All the insulation used is 5 cm thick mineral wool, which fits between the frame rails. There will be a skylight with a fan in the ceiling in the shower area. This should give enough ventilation for a room with high humidity. The water supply will be encased and hidden underneath the bed area. It will still be accessible from a door in the front and a big door on top in case of maintenance. Building the electrical room. All the power supply and electrical equipment will be installed in a separate room in the back. There will be easy access by 3 metal doors. The conditions were not in my favor. We had the worst rainy season in years, which forced me to work in this tight space which constantly kept flooding. I need to make sure that the electrical equipment of the house is safe and dry. Therefore I have to make this space completely sealed. Once I'm ready fabricating all the panels, they are painted satin black. Time to install the solar panels. I can't directly bolt the solar panels to the house, so I have to fabricate a roof rack for the panels. Underneath the rubber layer I fitted thick metal brackets, which will be my anchor points to bolt the roof rack to the house. Because I need to drill perfectly straight, I had to come up with an unusual solution. I used a very old type of drilling station, which has strapped my power drill to. I'm installing 4 solar panels with a combined output of around 1700 watts. There is still room for 2 more panels in case it would be necessary. That was it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you want to stay updated on the build, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you for watching.